Hello everybody, I have a journal to share with you today. Finally got to making one. It feels like it's been forever since I've made a journal, and so I've put together a nice floral journal. I was inspired by the little friendship doll that I made recently, and so I've kind of based it on those sorts of colours. It measures 8 3/4 by 4 inches. That's the back. It has a soft cover. And I will put on the screen how many pages because I haven't counted them. I have used lots of goodies that I've recently received paper-wise. And I have this lovely, it's like a metallic cotton frizz across the front there and some lovely embroidered flowers. I have little fabric butterflies in several places, some lovely mother of pearl buttons. I've used the sample stamps on the front here, and there's lots of machine stitching throughout the journal. I've also put some lovely cotton fabric and vintage trim on the spine there. It is one signature, and it has tea-stained papers throughout. So it's quite eclectic, but I really like how it turned out. It's very happy. We have lots of flowers and things like that. So this is actually a paper plate. I used a paper plate and cut it in different ways and used it throughout the journal there. The inside of the cover is covered in this polka dot fabric. And I've just put, I've got a thread there. Because the paper plate is quite sturdy, it felt a bit thin at the top there. So I've just put some cardstock to decorate the top there, but it also helps it keep firm at the top of the journal on the cover as well. Plus it adds some decoration. I've made some tags, and they're all, covered on the other side as well. This lovely little polka dot trim up the top there. So there's lots of tags in this journal, but there's also lots of journaling pages as well. Here we have a little, just a little calling card type thing. Then I've wrapped some paper around. It actually is stuck there with washi tape so you can journal on it. And then fold it back over, use it as a tuck spot, put a little paper clip there, and so it's like a secret little journaling spot in there. And that one isn't lined, that's just an extra floral piece that you can use to decorate. Some beautiful die cuts, some they're not actually doilies, they're just cutouts that look like doilies, like die cuts. A lovely earring that I've used as a charm there. Another tag. Trying to keep in frame here. A lovely polka dot organza down the bottom there. And these are the fabric butterflies. They look like little painted butterflies, but they are the fabric. They're ever so sweet. And that's another die cut there. It looks like lace. And here, there's another part of that paper plate. I have just a little piece of tea stain paper that I've stitched around and put a little collage on the front of it there. And then I have a little seed pack. I've put a washi sticker. And in here I've put some stickers, a couple of butterflies. The butterflies in here, I've just wrapped a bit of paper around them so that they don't get bent. So I'll pop those back in there. So that's a nice little pack to continue decorating. Some more die cuts there. And some more tags. laces. That lace is from Paper Inspirations. Another bell button. And then we have another, it's just a little cutout there you could use to decorate. I have left threads quite long, easy enough to cut if you don't like that sort of thing, but some people like them, so I left them. Oh, and that's the back there. Another doily there, little journal spot, and another little piece of paper to journal on there. A nice vellum pocket stitched on. Little flowers. And pocket here with a heart die cut and a little journal spot there. Butterfly die cut. And a tag in the top here as well. That's a paper bag. A journal spot here. Another fabric butterfly down the bottom there, ever so pretty. That's the middle, and I've just punched a couple of hearts out to put on there. And this is some lovely green waxed thread. I got that from BB Craft. A couple of butterflies up the top there. Another little tag there that's been collaged. Goes in there. Some lovely pink velvet. I think that also came from BB Craft. A couple more. That's just a little plain one. That one's not stitched, but that's okay. And that one has a die cut on the front of it. And another tag. This one has a lovely butterfly on the top of it to coordinate nicely with the butterflies, and another die cut to decorate. And that goes in the other side of the paper bag. Another little collage tag and just a piece of paper there to scribble on if you want to. This is just a little, it's made of the scrap papers, little notebook there. Whoops, hello Molly, keep going darling, good girl. Come on. Oh, 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 yes, you have to get down. Good girl. So it's a little notebook. Just quite plain, but nice to have to write things on. And I've just folded that, where did that go? That went there, didn't it? Folded that over the page, and I have this nice paper clip there. There we go. Another tag. And then we have another tag. Just another little cutout and another tag there. And that is, oh, that's this little, it's just scrap papers. I just folded a piece of paper over the top of it and stitched it together. And then it has all these little papers for writing, bit of glassine paper in there. And you can write on the front and the back of them. And then I left the back so it wasn't stitched, so I could fold it over the paper, over the page there. And then just pinning that there. Another tag. Little one of those pom-poms. I think that was from BB Craft also. Another one of those little calling cards. And another bit of paper to write on. Die cuts. More of the beautiful fabric butterflies there. Stickers. And then on the last page we have the other part of the paper plate. Some ruffled tulle. Oh, and that lovely little gem there as well. And then we have 2 tags. Like that. And then just another little booklet that is made out of scrap papers. I've put a couple of stickers in this little booklet just to add a bit of decoration. So you can see there's plenty of room for journaling in this journal, which is the way I like to do my journals. Another little card in the back there as well. And that was the last little bit of the paper plate. So I think I used one piece in the middle of the journal too. There. So I think there ended up a little skinny strip left. But yeah, it came in very handy. And I do like the way they look. Just something quite nice and pretty. So that is the journal I have made. I really did enjoy making it, considering I haven't made one for such a long time, or at least it feels like I haven't made one in such a long time. I don't know exactly how long it is. It has a lovely piece of chiffon to tie it there, and I hope you've enjoyed this video. I hope you like my journal. This will be available for sale in my Etsy store. I will put a link to that in the description box below. And I've got papers cut out to make another journal, so it felt good. It felt really good to put a journal together, so I think I'm going to be doing a few because I'm just feel like I'm in that mode. But I'll also be doing some sewing as well. So thank you so much for watching, everybody, and I hope you have a lovely weekend, and I hope you're all taking care, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.